Alrighty, everybody. Hola, Gutierrez familia. Hola, Gutierrez familia. Well, today is a really wonderful day for me. As you can see in the video, this is my brand new to me, old vintage piano. And you're probably wondering what makes this old vintage piano special. Well, let me tell you, it's special because in my lifetime I've been doing so many different other projects, and I just don't have the money for a beautiful sounding piano. They just cost a lot of money. I mean, I would be very, put out if I had to spend $100 on a piano. I am so sorry. They're just expensive. I mean, $100 piano, that's El Cheapo piano. But my story is a little different. This is about a thousand pound piano. This piano is special. This piano is very awesome. I found out because it's got a date stamp on it. The serial number on this piano it's a 5800. Sometimes I get confused and I say it's an 8500. Excuse me, a 58,000 series number. And this piano was built in 1905. I was able to find a few records on this piano, and the records I did find pretty much clarify that this piano was built, that the 5800 series piano was built in 1905. So, this vintage piano was built by Hartman Peck company, manufacturing out of New York. So this piano somehow wound up in California. And as you can see that it's been around for quite a long time, and it is in good condition. It is in excellent condition, considering that it's over 100 years old. You can see the keys. They are a little yellow. Some of them do stick a little bit toward the end, and one of them is off a little bit. But overall, this piano is awesome. So I'm going to restore this. I'm going to restore this piano slowly but surely. I'm going to have it tuned. It sounds fantastic. Of course, when I do play it, it is out of tune, obviously, but it sounds fantastic for it being out of tune. So there's the information at the top of when it was built and the various other patents that it had. It is a classic. This piano is special. This is one of the few pianos around that's a grand upright piano. It has the strings on it have the same distance as a grand piano. Now, the baby grand piano and the grand piano obviously sound different than a grand upright piano, but it's a pretty. But the Hartman and Peck give them a great run for their money. And obviously, this is not a $50,000 piano or a $350,000 piano. I think the most that this piano was cost when it was built, I'm guessing, because I haven't been able to find this information, was $12,000 brand new. If you look at that corner right there, you see it was just totally chopped up. Somebody tried to move it. This piano was abandoned. It was left, somebody rented a home or an apartment, and they left this piano. Somebody came along, or the original owners tried to move this piano, and they left it. And you see the horrible scratch marks. These are the 3 biggest scratch marks on this that I'm going to have to fix. Now, I'm willing to fix them. But if you look on the corner right there, at the bottom, they tore out some chunks of this beautiful piano. So I'm going to have to fix that. See here? There it is right there. Those 2 corners, They tried to move it, and finally they just gave up and left the piano for a loss. So the owner of the or the manager of the apartments came along and decided to keep the piano, and waited the legal amount of time and period for the people to claim their piano. They never did come back. You know, it's been years and months since anybody claimed this piano. So this piano by Hardman and Peck was headed for the dump. My story being is that this piano was, like so many on pianos on Craigslist, was headed for the dump. People are just throwing away their pianos today. I am totally happy. Yes, I will be restoring this piano. Listen to this sound. Did you hear the sound? Did you hear the sound this piano makes? It is just beautiful. After 100 years of surviving, this old piano, this old vintage piano, still sounds awesome. Of course, it goes without saying. This piano needs to be tuned up 2 or 3 times, maybe 4, maybe 5, maybe 6 times. I'm going to be restoring this piano. It has been through a lot. I still need to do a lot of work on it, and my project starts this summer. And so I am just in awe. I'm just so thankful that I was able to find a piano for free. I mean, it's free. I didn't have to pay for it. Throughout all the big cities today, they're just throwing pianos away. They're throwing pianos away. All right, I'm out of time. So this is my new piano. It's vintage. I hope you enjoyed this. Just this quick YouTube. I'm so excited. I just love this. I just love this piano. Okay. Thank you very much. You guys have a great day. Remember, if you need a piano, you want a piano, they're throwing them away on Craigslist, and look under free stuff all over the United States. Thank you. Bye-bye.